All right, I have the best laser level. So you power it on, just holding right there, turns on immediately, and already just tells you levels. So you can just, if you're setting it on something, you can even hold the audio button and you can hear it when it's level. So that gives you like an audible sound. So if you can't see the screen, you'll be able to hear it and know that it's level. You also have a hold button on there too. So if you do have it at a certain spot, you can just press hold and it will hold that number so you can see what it is. That way you can just read it that way. Now you have different modes on here. You can set it for millimeters, meters, inches, and feet, as well as the degree and percentage. And then of course you have your lasers. So you have one laser that will shoot out that way. So you got the horizon laser, and then you have one on the top. You press it again. So you could switch it to that one, or you can have both. So it's really easy to be able to kind of line it up with like the ceiling, or if you're just trying to level off any kind of like pavement or cement, that's a great way to just make sure that that's the right spot, and then you can visibly see it on there, just making sure that that's the level that you're looking for. It charges with USB-C, and the back is magnetic, which is awesome because it comes with this little mount that you can put on your wall, but it has these push pins so you can just easily put it into wood. So that is actually very convenient on a lot of projects. The laser range, you'll get about 10 to 30 feet indoor. And yeah, it just works really well. It's very, very accurate. And to me, I just love it as a level itself, just to be, I don't really like the bubble one as much as this right here. This thing is just super accurate. All in all, just great quality. I love the screen. It's super vibrant, super easy to see even in sunlight. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.